Linking a bank account on Fidelity is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your investments and transactions more efficiently. Follow these steps to get started. Step 1. Log into your Fidelity account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the Accounts and Trade tab on the main menu. Click on it, and then select Account Settings from the drop-down options. Step 3. Select Bank Account Linking. In the Account Settings menu, find the option for Link Bank Account or Banking. Click on this option to begin the linking process. Step 4. Enter bank account information. You will be prompted to enter your bank account details, including the bank name, account number, and routing number. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank account information, review the details for accuracy. Click on the Confirm or Save button to complete the linking process. You may receive a confirmation message once the account is successfully linked. By following these steps, you can easily link your bank account to your Fidelity account, allowing for seamless transactions and management of your investments.